Better an empty house than ill tenant. Honorable moderator, vast experience jury, and my dear and audience, this is Humayun Kabir before you. Now, I'm going to talk about my today's topic, and my today's topic is fascism. So let me clarify what is fascism. The fascism is centralized by a dictatorial leader, centralized autocracy, militarism, forcible operations of oppositions, as well as social impact in social hierarchy. You know that the fascism is severe across the world. The first fascism invented in 1922 to 1930s. It was well known across the Europe. But you know, 1922 to 1943, it was a period of Mussolini, and 1933 to 1945, it was a period of Hitler. After passing their times, we have seen a lot of dictatorial leaders in our planet. But if I mention about, Nero, once a time, Nero fiddles while Rome burns. Since we are living in our country, so I would like to talk about my country. We've been suffering. We've been living here in fascism in 1971. And that is why we had to fight against the military of Pakistani army. And after long times, what did we see? If you'd like to see a live dictatorial leader, you just focus on America and Israel. Benjamin Netanyahu and Mr. Trump. They are a world dictatorial leader who are constantly killing our humanity, who are constantly killing, demolishing the nations. The Philistine has already demolished by them. They are intentionally always killing our nations. So I think that if we'd like to save from a dictatorial leader, we have to err. It is quite impossible to save from there. So first of all, we have to grow our mentality. Will I able to consider myself for the nation or not? To be honest, after taking a year, I think that they are becoming a dictatorial. At the time, Bangladesh had sacrificed their lives to root out the Sheikh Hasina. So before quitting this place, I would like to say on a proverb, look before you leave. Thank you very much for coming to me.